Hello friends, today I want to do unboxing of sandals which I've got lately online, and these sandals are a little different than Birkenstocks, but they are kind of like Birkenstocks dupes. They are reminding me of Birkenstocks, and they were from Walmart. And they were really not expensive, and I've got them online. The shipping was free. And they are not the same like Birkenstocks, as they are like vegan. So they are not made from real leather, but from vegan. So I will show you. So I've got 3 pairs. First one looks like this. So this one looks like this. They are sandals reminding me of Birkenstocks. I don't know, Birkenstocks have the same model, but I don't know the name. And this brand is called Seranoma. Here. Seranoma. And they are made from plastic material here, and this part is also not from leather, it's from some different material. And we have buckles here and here, and we also have some connection here. And when I was first wearing them, as I already wore them, this connection broke. So I was disappointed because they broke here, but I connected it sew it together with just white stuff, needle and some white thread. So they are now fixed. Hope they don't disconnect another one. But they are comfortable, and they have this material is really reminding me of leather, and it's comfortable really. And the bottom looks like this, so it's almost the same like in Birkenstocks. So I have pair here from Birkenstocks, and they looks like this, Birkenstocks. The originals, and they are not so flexible at all. And this ones, let's see, also not flexible, and they have a cork here, and Birkenstocks have cork too. So see, not too much of a difference, but these ones are higher, real ones. These Birkenstocks also here are made from fake material, which is on the bottom looks like this, and it's little, maybe slightly thicker than this material, but this one is kind of made from 2 materials connected. And this buckle isn't so good quality because it's like rough here, and it's painted white, and this paint doesn't look so well. You can see it. You can see maybe. And this one isn't painted, but hope they will be not bad. I hope they will not disconnect in more places. And the price of this was only $12. 12, so cheap. So yeah, another pair I've got also in different color, because I have few colors, and I'll show you. So they came in this box, I mean this packaging, and let's see. here they come in this foil. Then we have here, they come boxed like this. They come even with these things, paper I can throw away. And here is the black pair, so it's the same. I've got them in size 40 European, which is 10 US. I think I got them in 10 US, so it's 40 or 41. This pair is even nicer than white ones. I really like them. Look guys, it's really nice. It's shiny and it has buckle which is painted, so it looks even better. And I hope this connection doesn't disintegrate. If so, I will just sew them together. And this part is also nice, and this is some kind of foam, so it has a little bit foam here. But yeah, they are really nice. And only $12. They even have some shapes. So arch. Yeah, they have arch, slightly arch support, and some kind of so yeah, that's really nice sandals, and the bottom looks like this. That will be for the I don't know, for the thumbnail. And last pair, but a little different model I've got today. They arrive also the same packaging, and I've got, this is the same brand but different model. Also got with this thingy. So these ones are a little different. Also same brand, it's Seranoma. So this is different model, which is also reminding me of Birkenstocks. And these ones, they were more sold out, and only in size 10 they had in this color, which is green. And they are inside, they are white. Hope that right is not disconnected again, like I would be pissed. But I could sew it together. Material is fake, no real leather, but I like that they are higher. So these ones are kind of like platforms. See? So normal Birkenstocks also have this kind of model, which is higher, and they are now in style, such higher platforms. They really good because they will elevate you and you will be able to walk on more, like on grass more, and really cute. Try them on. Sandal number 1 from Seranoma. White color, looks like this. Here is the black sandals. It looks like this, the black ones. Here are the slides. So yeah, that's my Birkenstock Dupes from Seranoma from Walmart. I would hope you enjoy such videos. If you do, thumbs up and let me know if you like such videos, and subscribe to my channel and hit notification bell to be notified when I upload. So see you in the next one. Bye.